Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the May cloth and paper subscription box. So I have been out of town, so this has been waiting for me to come back, so I apologize that this video is a little late, but let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so let's start with this cloth and paper clip. So this is a new item, and it is in the color Ibiza, and it looks like an ollie clip. Yeah, so I think it's just their now version of an ollie clip, so we'll try this out at the end of the video. And then I'm really interested in what's in this bag. So we have something in a dust bag. And it looks like it is a leather folio. So on the description, it says that this month luxury is key with our new mini leather folio. This product was designed with simplicity and organization in mind, featuring a sleek, multifunctional pocket system that allows you to easily store your daily necessities. So it looks like we do have a sleek leather. Mine's already scratched. I think it's a little blurry here. I don't know if y'all can see that. But this does look really nice. So it kind of feels like a felt leather. And then inside you have some card holders, some slots, and then a top pocket. You also have these side pockets. And then it comes with a few things, so I'm assuming it's for inside of here. So let's see what's in this bag. And I'll leave this out. So you have a monthly admin planner. It says our Pocket Plus monthly admin planner uses the same layout from our monthly admin planner insert. Use this planner in your new folio to keep track of your monthly plans. So you have this planner belongs to page, your month with tasks, important dates, and then something for the next month, and it's undated. You also have a little side area to take notes, and it's compact, so it's 3.2 by 6 inches. I wonder if I can just slide this in. I wonder if that's how you're supposed to use it. Oh yeah, so you can just slide it in. That's cute. There's also a new cash system cards. So it says pair these cards with your new spiral folder system that I'm about to share to create your own cash envelope system. This set includes 15 cards for your budgeting needs. So these look like they're the size of a dollar bill. You have category, budget, starting balance, date, description, amount, and balance, and then ending balance. And there's nothing on the back. And it pairs with the spiral folder system. And then you have a little, oh sorry, this way. It's clear, of course. And then you have a little folder system. So you can also use this to like store bookmarks and maybe even planner cards in here. But I might try this. So let's put this card in here. And so I really like that. So you can have your category in here, and I'm sorry, your card in here, and then put the cash behind it, and then you know where you're at, and do that throughout the planner. I think this would also probably pair very well in here. This could be like your little cash folder. You can keep like your ATM card in here, maybe some extras. So let's try this out. It's a tight fit and it doesn't close all the way, so I don't think it is really meant for this. But if you don't mind it not closing all the way, you could definitely use it for your cash system. There we go. So we have that. And then there's also this cover, so I'm assuming this is for the folder. So it says Pocket Plus Build Dashboard Duo. So you can just put that over. Here, we can just do it. Oh, and that's cool. So it's a duo, so you have a front and the back, so you can put it in here, and that way it just looks like a regular notebook. So that's actually really cute. Okay, so that. There's also a new planning in progress door hanger, and it's really nice. So it's pretty thick. So you have please come in on the back and planning in progress on the front, and it's nice leather that you can put on your door handle. I'm definitely going to keep this on planning in progress at all times. And then you have your planner cards. So it looks like everything's probably cash focused, but you have find creativity. Oh, hold on, let me see the title of these. You have your 50, 30, 20 card, your creativity quote card, and then you have, oh, this is a leather care card for the folio. You have a ruler, which is actually really nice. So it looks like it goes to 3 inches. And then you have your July planner card. And that's cute to actually like be able to keep the ruler in here. And then you can keep these in here as well. And then with the 50, 30, 20, there's needs, savings, and investments and wants. But here's what that looks like in there. And then that is everything inside of the box. So this is the first box, I think, without any inserts, which is kind of fun. I kind of really like this, and that it switched it up a bit. And yeah, other than that, that is everything that came inside of the May subscription box. I'm honestly keeping everything. I'm really looking forward to it. Trying this stuff out. I'm probably gonna give this pocket planner to my dad, but yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.